So in the house we have Nadia. Give her a hand. Welcome to the 10K club. Congratulations. Yes. I love a little award.
Yes.
What? So what was the initial problem that you had that drove you to decide that we were the ones for you to work with?
The initial problem.
The initial problem.
Yeah. Knowing that the work I do for myself and other people is effective and it works, and having no idea how to tell other people about it, how to sell it, how to set anything up. And when my girlfriend passed you guys along to me, I just knew, just an intuition that I just knew, okay, here we go.
That's
These
nice.
guys, these the guys are going to take me past past anything that I even knew was possible into realms that they're just going to get me all the way.
Nice. But so what because I think knowing that, how did you know that you had that problem though? So you said like what was the feedback that you were getting? Because I think a lot of people, like, obviously they're very good at what they do, they're passionate about what they do, but then
Yeah.
what was the disconnect that you think drove you the most to going like, I need help with communicating that to purchase, I'm assuming, right?
Yes, yeah. Communicating, yes, and to purchase, communicating about what it is and what I do, communicating how to assist other people. So what drove that was I ran my program 2 or 3 times on my own, and just through the process somebody else told me about. And it was good, but I was only making a couple $100s per person. And I saw that if I wanted to actually make money, like that would actually change my life, that wouldn't ever work.
Mm,
And that I had heard about other people making a significant amount of money from what they teach. And it just seemed like a great big myth, but I had no idea about formats, not being a really techie person.
mm. So what's the biggest value for you so far? Sometimes people say like the ad, the support. Sometimes people say,
I laugh because the biggest value is the constant validation that I've got to become a different person to do this. And
Mm.
that constant validation from you, Ed, the entire team, like, keep going, keep going. It's okay. It's okay. Keep going. Like that, um,
Do you
that
think you
you
have to
know
become
what
a
you're
different
doing.
do you think you have to become a different person, or is it seeing like sales in a different way, or what do you mean by that? Do you mean like
I mean, it gave me permission to step into a level of strength that I always wanted to have, a level of holding space for others that I always wanted to have.
mm,
So, and yeah, in a way, actually, it is to become a different person. Because there was a while back where you said something along the lines of, yeah, Nadia, you're kind of timid.
yeah.
I was like, well, damn. That's not gonna get me very far. If Ed can reflect it back to me, okay, that's not gonna help me.
You're so strong these days. That's far from who you are these
That
days.
that that actually made me really mad when you
Did
said
it?
that. Yeah, it did. I was like, ah, really?
Oh,
Crap.
who the
I
fuck
thought
do you
I,
think you are?
yeah. Well, no. It wasn't like that. It was more like, shit, he's reflecting back to me what I know to be true.
Ah, nice.
So, yeah, and not wanting that reflected back anymore. Like, I don't want people
Mm.
to see me as timid and small and holding back and playing a small game.
Ah, right, I see.
Yeah. So what I mean when I say becoming a different person or changing, yeah, uh, changing.
Mm,
That timid one gets to shift.
mm. Yeah, that's good. I like that. What would you say to someone that was on the, sorry, were there any hesitations with joining? Were there any things you were worried about, concerned, nervous?
The hesitation I had was money. How do I pay for this? And then when I was in, can I actually do this?
That's not believe.
Yeah, am I smart enough? Do I have enough time?
Mm.
Can I, there were even thoughts of, can I keep up with all these other people? Because I saw individuals going through when I came in at the beginning and then the advanced, like people just blowing past me when it came to money
Yeah,
and
that's
getting
difficult
things.
sometimes to see, isn't it?
Mm,
It's a hard one because it like everyone is going through different stages. Everyone, like it is tough to see that. I get that. We do the best
yeah,
we can to try, like to cement because everyone's individual. Everyone's got an individual journey. They've done different things
yeah,
before. It's very difficult to know, like what that crescendo has been before. No one's a clean slate. It's it's two views, isn't it? Like you've got the view of like, oh my God, that person's like slammed past me, but then you've also got, oh my God, that's amazing. They've slammed past. Do you know what I mean? Which
Mhm.
means it's also possible. It's
Yeah.
yeah, it's a tough one that.
Yeah, yeah, there were definitely moments of wanting to throw the towel in after I saw certain individuals get to 100K and I hadn't gotten to 10K yet.
Hmm,
And just wanting to like flush this whole thing down the toilet.
hmm. I'm
But
glad you didn't.
one of the things that helped me not, Ed, is the amount of money I spent
Hmm,
on you guys. I have
lovely.
invested way too much money to stop. And honestly, if I had invested less, it would have been easier to bail.
Yeah, nice. That's good. Because it's a
So,
journey. Like building a business is a journey, and
yeah,
it does take time, and it always comes back. It just does take time. So what would you tell someone who was on the edge of deciding to join?
the reasons and excuses not to join are the reasons and excuses to,
That's good. So you don't have enough time, or you need to do this because you need more time.
because you've got to figure your schedule out to make
Yeah.
it work.
Yeah, you don't own your schedule. You've got no chance,
Yeah,
regardless.
yeah.
Amazing. Well, look, it doesn't happen without amazing people like yourself. Give yourself a hand. Thank you for being amazing. Thank you for not throwing the towel in. Thank you for staying in. And thank you for, you are amazing. It's been incredible watching you grow. And you're far from timid now.
I'm
And,
getting there.
and no, but you're so clean and concise in your calls. It does take time, but it's worth it.
Yeah,
So let's get on to your session. Let's put another 0 on that that 10. And thank you for being amazing. Yeah.
you're another one. Yes, thank you, Ed, and you
My
guys, the
pleasure.
whole gang.
So what's the next challenges for you at the moment? How can I help? I'm here for you. What do you need?
Um, the next challenges are going to be, I have three different things that I have written down. One is